What's going on, guys? It's your boy Lisa Mutupi, and we are back onto my YouTube channel. Obviously, if you are not yet a subscriber, then obviously you can hit the subscribe button, as I share a lot of valuable information, especially when it comes to the currency market, the index market, but or actually when it comes to the market on its own. So yeah, that's actually me, and I've been featured on one of the top websites. I also try to make sure that I leave the links down in the description box so you can read the articles that they wrote about me. And not only that, but I've been helping people on my YouTube channel, and I've been helping people with my free training that I do have. I've been helping people with these setups that I share in the public group, because just I think it was 2 days ago or a day ago, I'm not too sure, I shared a beautiful trade on Nasdaq, and we all caught over 33,000 people in the public team also caught that. So I'm excited that it's not just me benefiting from the markets, but it's actually with the people that are close to me or people that are just behind me that are benefiting from the market. So yeah, that's actually me. And on today's video, we're actually going to be looking at the premium 2.0, because I do have a package, a course that I've named it the premium 2.0, because at first it was the Forex Jesus premium, and it actually had like 16 videos, 16 materials and stuff. So that's actually now the first model, and I was able to put over like plus add more than 35 more videos in it. So we've got like over 45 videos in it, and it's just like super valuable. So I want to dive a bit more too deep with it and show you guys some of the videos that I do have in there. And also just to remind you guys that we are running a 50% off promotion from all the way from $497 to $248, somewhere around there. And someone would be like, why do you price your courses that much? It's because of the fact that I want to filter out specific types of people. Obviously, a person that drives a specific car, and let's say one that drives a car that's over $1 million and one that drives a car that's 100,000, those two are not the same. And it's not because of the fact that it's just lack of money. It's because of the mindset too. That other one was able to attract or put himself in a mindset whereby he was able to attract that car, and that other one is just maybe like he believes in poverty, believes in that things are not there for him, they don't work out well for him, and so on. So it's actually two differences. Like I want people that are not low quality types of let's say students. I want people that are like serious about trading. That's why I give like my free training. So you have to learn first and see if you are really serious about trading. If you are, that's when you can take courses and stuff. But yeah, that's actually the whole thing. So we're running a 50% off, and yeah, I'm excited. I just can't wait who I'm going to be working with. And just to remind you guys that we do have daily live sessions in the Premium 2.0. Daily live sessions meaning that in the morning we've got two mentors that open up Zoom screens, and they show you what they're seeing for the day. And even in the evening, they take down questions, they take down answers, and that's actually what happens. And on Sundays, what I do is that we also have a weekly live session where we are able to see what's actually going to happen throughout the whole week and so on. So yeah, that's actually one of the benefits of being a part of the community, because not only I and the mentors are like I would say successful traders, there's also a lot of experienced traders that are in the team, and a lot of beginner traders. So there's actually one of that community that has beginners and also advanced people that are helping each other out. They're helping each other out. So I'm excited. Let me not speak too much about it. So one thing that I want for us is that I wanted to let you know that we've got the 50 off, and I want us to dive into the dashboard so you are able to see what the dashboard looks like. So as soon as you are a member, as soon as you enroll, you'd be able to see what actually you'd be getting. And it's actually like an automated system, meaning that as soon as you make a purchase on the website, then automatically you'd get an email with your login details and stuff, and you get access to just all of that, which I'm going to be breaking it down into just a few seconds now. So yeah, the promotion is going to be running up until the 31st of this month of November. So yeah, it's I'm excited. We are also doing something, we're giving back, Black Friday, all those things, but the most important thing is to give back. So yeah, let's jump into it so you get to see already. If you are let's say if you are a premium member, obviously it'll be exciting to just see me cover some of the things that you experience, some of the things that you go through. But if not, then you'd know what to expect from the Forex Jesus 2.0. So let's jump into it. So what I'm doing here is that I want to walk you guys along here by the dashboard. So now we are in the dashboard now. So you can simply see here on what it says, welcome back, Lisa Mutupi. So you can either say start course or you can just leave it as it is. But obviously when you're taking it, it means that you are here to learn. So you'll obviously press on start course. So yeah, you can simply see here 0% complete, meaning that whenever you get to watch videos, whenever you do all those things, it keeps on updating on your side and also on our side. So I'll be able to see that, okay, no, this specific person, let's say Joseph, for instance. Joseph, watched the videos up until 30% of the videos, so he didn't finish the full course, and then that. Then I know for sure that you're still struggling with moving forward and all those things. Then maybe we can reach out to you and stuff. So that's actually one of the benefits. So yeah, you can simply see the content that we do have here. Obviously, yeah, it's welcome to the course. It's like me welcoming you as a member, speaking a bit more about the positives on why I'm excited to be your mentor and all those things. So yeah, that's actually the first part of it. So you can simply see I've broken down my course in in 4 different types of structures. So it's actually the first model, the second model, the third model, and the fourth model. So the first model was like the whole Forex Jesus to premium. So when I came with Forex Jesus Premium, it literally the whole model 1 was like it's 16, 17 videos. It was like literally only that. So it came to a point where I was like, you know what, I want to give my people more information, more knowledge and stuff. So let me just put more materials in here, and then I upgraded it, which is now 2.0, like it did say. So here in the first module, you can simply see, obviously, we've got the intro of the model. This is where actually I introduce the model, speak a bit more about what to expect and all those things. And then we move on to the second one, which is the introduction of Forex. So normally, people would be selling just like, the introduction of Forex on its own, like, for crazy amounts and stuff. But it's coming as part of it, because I noticed people were also crying for this 0 to 6 figure blueprint. And I was a bit more specific with the fact that, yeah, we are much more, it's beginner friendly, it's also advanced friendly, meaning that if you're a person that's been trading, you'll get multiple strategies in here. You'll get risk management strategy, you get advanced pattern strategy, you get, our price action strategy, you'll get different types of strategies also on bigger time frames and smaller time frames. So you can simply see introduction to Forex, introduction to MetaTrader 4 trading view platform. You got introduction to MetaTrader 4 using the mobile device version. We've got currency characteristics over here. Obviously, like, I'm speaking about currencies, what to expect from this specific currency. Let's just, it's more likely to have bigger drops. And it's actually, how long is it? It's actually a bit more. It's longer than, like, 20 minutes, just speaking about currencies. Okay. We've got candlestick patterns here. Full lesson, 36 minutes, breaking down candlestick patterns. Just showing how you can play a bit more to generate a strategy or anything from it. Yeah, like this is actually me going through how you can understand what candlesticks, like how candlesticks move, how you can actually implement let's say use a signal from just having a candlestick, because this is like very important. Remember that candlesticks are like visual representatives of price action, so it's very important. We've got just speaking about support and resistance, and I know most people trade it the negative way, so I've got like a full lesson, 31 minutes, speaking about support and resistance, much more profitable way. We've got a lesson here speaking about trend identification, 45 minutes. So I want to show you guys that also my lessons are not like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on. It's like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour, 30 minutes, and so on. So yeah, we've got here, which one is it? Higher time frame. Okay. Higher time frame, lower time frame trends. Is like being able to just see the 2 different types of like, let's say, being able to basically just scale down your analysis from multi analysis, multi time frame analysis. We've got your risk reward ratios on how you could be able to calculate risk reward ratios and so on. This trend line here, we've got this would be our ideal setup. Basically, you take basically I show some examples, theories and stuff, and then afterwards I move on to the deeper side of it, which I show you on the charts. So I like it that way. We've got your Fibonacci. We've got a full lesson over 43 minutes speaking of Fibonacci, how you can place it and you stuff. See this here, yeah. Okay, we've got Fibonacci. So I know a lot of people are crazy of Fibonacci. So yeah, we've got head and shoulders, double tops and bottoms. It's like 40 minutes this lesson, head and shoulder, double tops and bottoms. We've got the rectangle flag, the chases wave. We've got ascending type. We've got the falling wedge. We've got continuation patterns here, and yeah, so these ones you can simply see at the end I said the chases wave, because there's a specific way that we look at these patterns right now. So this one is over 40 minutes long. So let me just get to it. You guys should see and understand, and if I show you then I took advantage of it. This could be what advantage of it. And then after the breakout, you wait for it as long as the price consolidates in somewhere here. So and then afterwards, the one is that afterwards we go straight to the chart, and then I show you exactly those theories that I gave to you. So we've got this, we've got the ascending type. There's multiple ones. Like I like this because it's like super detailed. There's higher low, Can you see it's super detailed?
It shouldn't break out.
And then I show you high probability setups, how you can make high probability setups,
and then
give
us a nice
look for them on the chart. So I don't just show you examples, but I literally go on the chart for you. So trading plan and trading plan. Here we're speaking about trading plan, how you can draft
secondary, the data.
Can you see? So yeah,
which time frame?
So we've got a trading plan, and something that I nearly forgot here, guys, is here at the very beginning you can simply see there's a section that says tools you need before getting started. So in here, like, it's simply see what we have. We've got 2 downloads. It's the psychology guide and we've got the study guide. So you can literally just download these 2 PDFs at the very beginning and read them, before you get to the whole course. So this is like super informative. So risk management, obviously I can't leave risk management behind. Okay, boom.
Hit your 1%.
So yeah, I've got like multiple
managers.
Okay, multiple sections where
that's
we're
very
speaking about it.
And you made 5% this month.
Okay, speaking, but there's like literally a lot of information. So this is like the wrong course that's gonna take you to the next level for real. It's gonna take you to that next level. So here we've got psychology. Yeah, we're speaking about the psychology.
So analyzing. Basically, one
like some of the the psychology of it and stuff. So yeah, that's actually it. That's the first model. I mean the first model, and it comes also with the assessment where you get to answer questions and stuff. There's like this assessment that you can take part on. We start this assessment, we see how you progress with the very first model. So obviously also the outro, just so we speak a bit more about way forwards. So now you can simply see we've got model 2 here. I'm not gonna go in all of them because I can see I'm running out of battery here and my camera is running out of battery, but take a look at this. The very first one here, it's actually the master price action. You can download it right here already. If you are a premium member and you don't know where to get it, you can get it right here. You press here, it's going to download automatically. And then you've got here how to search for a proper broker. So we teach you exactly how to search for proper brokers. So you don't have to only use brokers that we use. You can also use brokers that you're comfortable with. How to know if we are buying or selling. How to spot a good entry. What's the right time to place a trade, and how do you know if it's time to close? So we've got a full lesson on that, speaking about what actually is the right time to place a trade. You can simply see.
That's to trade lower. This is a sign that this is a change.
Okay, you can simply see also here showing you guys
180 pips. Signal basically,
so like full lessons on it, how to place trades and when not to exit from trades and stuff, how to decide on placing a stop loss and take profit, how to manage both a winning and a losing trade. We've got here how to trade a retest, which is exciting. Like this is one of the most powerful ones. Trading retest is like it's a strategy on its own. So I broke it down here for you.
Happens because
we always spoke a bit more about the theory, and here I go on the chart so I can show you guys some of the things here, and then we jumped straight onto the chart. So like it's like super detailed. You can see the difference between retracement and reversal, obviously, in-depth explanation of pattern separation, how to backtest properly. A lot of people ask me that, how to pick the right pairs, how to calculate the risk and number of trades one should take, how to treat Forex as a business, on which this one is also very, very, very important on, Forex as a business on its own. So you need to learn on how you can treat it as a business. So yeah, we got into it here. So I've got my whiteboard there. I've got a bit more too deep with it. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see. Okay. That's the second model, and also the outro. So you saw already it's a lot of information, a lot of like valuable information here. So the third model is actually advanced patterns. So we've got here the Gartley pattern, the bad pattern, and also the cipher pattern. Those are the ones that we focus on. So let's jump on, let's say for instance, the bad pattern. Right here. So started speaking a bit more on
also
bad pattern, how you can take advantage of them, and I went straight and I drew it for you guys. Yeah, you can simply see. Yeah, I drew it straight, and
between here
I drew it here, and then our entry point is here. Then I show you how you can take advantage of this move. So basically we bought here, we went up, we sold here. So it's a full lesson. That's like it's a strategy on its own. It's a bad pattern strategy. There's also Gartley pattern. There's also cipher patterns on which these are also strategies that you can implement. And then on the fourth model here, you can simply see we have personal development tips and goals. So it's like goal setting and all those types of things, because the mindset is actually important when it comes to trading. So I've got in it here. 54 minutes literally speaking about this whole section. So you can simply see here.
You also be able
we've got like, how you can set goals, how you can, time your trading plan and all those things, like not only trading plan, but like personal things, and not only when it comes to trading, but also, different types of business models and stuff, and affirmations and positive thinking. So, the most important thing that I like about our community is that I noticed that a lot of members in the team are like super positive, super confident, and all these things. But it's because of the fact that, we're able to instill these how can I say, these paradigms, like these mindsets, so they can also have positive mindsets. So yeah, we've got a full lesson. How long is it? 17 minutes, speaking exactly about,
Started with $1.
affirmations, the rich view money as a friend, like teach you on how to view money as something that is, close to you, just so you can have more money. Because if you have a friend, you love that friend, obviously that friend is going to love you too, so that's money for you. So yeah, we've got all the live sessions that we've done before, like, the whole of 2020 basically, and you can just start, like, basically you will never run out of content as soon as you get in here, because yeah, we've got questions and answers. You can see some of the questions members asked me before and how I answered them and stuff, and a lot of live sessions. So these live sessions are the ones that we have all every Sunday, 15 minutes. Here you can simply see another one. Let me just pick a random one, 21 June. Like, we've got just the random live sessions, 47 minutes and so on. So basically that's what I wanted to show you guys, because I still get questions on what happens with the 2.0. Well, you did see me cover all the way from the first model up until the fourth model, and not only that, but we focus a lot more on just growing as a team, helping each other out, because I see at times I'd just get in the team and I'd see members just communicating with one another, speaking with one another, and I get excited because of the fact that at first, if I came across such a group when I was still a beginner, I promise I'd be like way more successful like years ago. Like those are the things that make me be positive about the team. And we're not done yet. There's still a lot of improvements that we're going to be doing. There's still a lot of things that you can expect in 2021. And yeah, it's just the whole thing. It's improvement on its own. Like, I'm not done yet with developing the whole cost structures and stuff. But yeah, I can't wait to see you as one of the premium members. Obviously, I can't wait to mentor you. I can't wait to be your educator, just so I can help you through with the Forex market and so on, in the index market too, because we look at US 30, DEX, NASDAQ, and all those things. So yeah, but if you're not in the public group, just make sure that you hit the link down in the description box. That's where I'll leave the link to the public group, just so you can also get to know some of the updates that we have with the brand. But not only that, I'll leave the link down in the description box, whereby you'll be able to get the 2.0. But yeah, it's a Boile Somutupi. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to over 100,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video that I'll be posting.